Notre Dame is my problem.
Are you a dual Michigan person?
I'm just giving you a hard time.
Oh, okay.
Good to see you though.
Because I teach at U of M.
And that's a redeeming quality.
Well, the prosecutor's here, and we'll be ready to go whenever he comes in the room. That's Mr. Bernardi.
I thought they advised him that 9 o'clock to me means 9 o'clock.
They did.
Okay. And he still hasn't meandered his way in here.
No, he's right next door.
They're too fast.
I don't like to do a whole lot of that. Whatever.
I know I'd like to do it for you.
Yeah, well, then you should be
I'm
in
just
here.
gonna go knock on the door and see if he'll show up.
Thank you, Mr. Noakes.
That's pretty awful for someone not to support somebody who is in trouble like her.
It's a lot. Can you imagine going from your own private life to this?
No, but she sort of had to know what was going to happen.
Do you ever know what kind of family you marry into?
No,
You can suspect.
but I mean, they're pretty huge.
Pretty
though.
major. I'm a huge fan of the monarchy, and it's really weird. But you don't know. You think you know because of what you've seen on television, but you marry into a family of kooks. You don't know that. You don't
Yeah.
notice what they are.
So any chance of them going back or they're staying here?
I don't know.
I told him we were ready to go. He said, well, I'm not ready. He says, I got a witness. My first witness is coming from the police station.
They're having a girl. That was the big announcement last night for me.
Oh.
They're having a girl.
Oh, we're talking about the Meghan and Harry Mark.
Oh.
They're having.
I was watching that and the Great British Baking Show.
Oh.
Kevin comes down and he's like, nope. How do you do that? How do you watch two things at the same time? I'm like,
I don't know. I can't.
I don't know. That's what commercial breaks are for.
So I missed it. Yeah, I guess I should have watched it because they're.
I bet you when the ratings come out on that, that's going to be huge.
Oh, I bet.
She was going back. Oprah was doing something else this morning on her friend Gail's show. There were more behind the scenes kind of things they didn't talk about.
Mhm.
They showed a video of them running on the beach. The little boy is adorable. I know.
How old is he now?
He'll be 2 in May,
Wow.
and the baby is due sometime this summer.
Aww. And does he seem like a nice guy? But he didn't support her when she.
He tried to, but what can you do? They call it the institution, which I think is
Yeah.
a weird way to.
Yeah,
And the most senior of royals, they call it the firm, which
the firm, yeah.
firm.
Wow.
And there's a lot of people that make decisions. According to what they said, a lot of, it's more of a community, not a community, but, like the people in the firm make the decisions.
It's 9:05 and we're waiting for a witness.
The first witness.
I guess it's going. It surprises me. Doesn't it surprise you?
It surprises me that you don't come in and say, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, you'll see.
I remember him.
I don't like them.
I remember him.
Are we using this thing today?
Yep.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
That wasn't a very,
It's ready to roll.
it
As
is.
soon as the judge goes live. It doesn't look like it, does it? That big red.
So what do we push?
Nothing.
Or we just leave it alone?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you look in the upper left corner, we are live.
Oh, we're live.
Yes. We are waiting ever so patiently. Which I'm not. You hear that sarcasm.
I know.
I should have worn my University of Chicago mask. Maybe that would have made it too hard.
It's all in good fun.
Yeah, well, that's my law school. At some point in my life earlier, I taught there as well, so
Oh, wow.
there.
It seems as if I wound up with quite a number of friends that went to Michigan State. So we have this
Oh,
ongoing,
yeah.
issue. So I got back at them by making them wear my shirt, which was blue and yellow. They said it burned their skin, but they
So what are you
survived.
gonna wear now that they lost the game yesterday?
I have on the very neutral, I honestly don't follow the sports. I just heard my husband yelling downstairs, and that's the only way I can tell what's going on with the game.
At some point, he'll finish sanding his witness.
Well, as my officer said, people don't know that although I'm new to this court, I'm not new to court in general. And 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock because I spent
Oh,
20
I
years
understand.
waiting ever so impatiently.
Well, having been raised in the military and been a military officer, I understand timeliness.
And I don't ever want people to think they're waiting on me. Even if I have to come out and say, we're not ready, but I'm here when you all are ready.